We're excited to announce the World Forum Offshore Wind End-of-Life Committee that is chaired by Engineering X.
This committee brings together global experts to tackle one of offshore wind's least coordinated challenges: what happens to wind farms at end of use?
For years, decommissioning has felt like a future issue, but that future is arriving with thousands of turbines reaching the end of their life.
Without better planning, the sector risks unnecessary safety impacts, environmental harm and missed opportunities for circularity.
There are signs of progress, especially on the recycling of wind turbine blades, but unfortunately, recycling alone is not enough.
We need longer-lasting designs for all parts of wind turbines, combined with more reuse and approaches that work across different markets.
The committee provides a space for global knowledge sharing and is developing the practical foundations that the sector needs to manage end-of-use responsibly.
The committee has two primary purposes. One, we bring the sector together to share knowledge, coordinate efforts and speak up for better end-of-use solutions.
And two, we lead practical work on the priority areas where action is most needed, creating foundations that will help every part of the sector manage end-of-use more effectively.
To make rapid progress, we've launched 4 task and finish groups focused on our foundational areas: international regulations, industry standards, benchmarking best practice, and forecasting future material flows.
These groups are already gathering real-world insights and are shaping tools that can be used globally.
And we want to collaborate widely. If you're working on end-of-use challenges, please get in touch. Together, we can build a safer, more sustainable, circular and inclusive offshore wind sector.